Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your balance sheet on QuickBooks Online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and send your balance sheet over to your accountant so that they can do your taxes. How do you actually go ahead and find your balance sheet online? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then, on the left-hand side underneath menu, highlight where it says Reports and then click on Standard Reports. Now on this page here, scroll down and underneath Business Overview, you should be able to find your balance sheet. So you can actually download a balance sheet comparison, detail, and a summary. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your balance sheet on QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.